And here's a little update to our needles and thread tutorial. In addition to our boa needles, which we're very fond of, we've added a new Japanese line called Tulip that I am in love with. These needles are incredibly smooth and unbelievably sharp. Tulip makes some of the same types of needles as Bowens, such as betweens and sharps, but the ones we've chosen will add variety to your sewing experience. Our quilt basting needle I find even better than a sharp for basting and gathering stitches. You have a choice of two lengths depending on the length of stitch you want to achieve. We also carry betweens because they provide you with a selection of finer sizes from 8 up to 12, allowing you to experiment with the size that works best for you to achieve those perfectly even tiny stitches. I find that our number 10 silk needles are not only good for silk, leaving no mark, but are amazing to use as a general sewing needle, especially on finer fabrics and for finer work such as hemming. Likewise, our number 10 applique needle is not only good for applique, but having a bigger eye is great for slightly larger threads and general purpose sewing. It's also a slightly smaller diameter needle. We also have added an easy threading needle that comes in two lengths at 1 1/4 and 1 1/2 inches with a diameter of about a size 9. This is great for general sewing and again for slightly thicker threads that may be difficult to get through a sharp 9 or 10. Lastly, because we are fascinated with the beautiful art form of sashiko, which originated in a rural 17th century Japan as a form of mend and make do, we've added a variety pack of beautiful sashiko needles that you can use to try your hand at this fulfilling stitch. So folks, I hope this guide has helped to dispel some of your concerns and confusion about needles and thread. I hope you continue to watch our channel, and you haven't, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. See you next time.